What's your name?
My name is Dapindar Gill.
How are you doing, Dapindar?
I am doing good.
Good. What are you doing today? Tell me.
I am going to skydive, something I wanted to do from a very long time.
Awesome. And why do you want to skydive?
It was in my bucket list from a very long time. I was not able to do it in New Zealand, so this is my time.
Nice. So we're going to be skydiving over the Anapio now.
Yes, sure.
Beautiful. Anything you want to say to friends and family?
I'll see you in some time. Bye.
All
Don't
right,
get
let's
jealous.
Go, beep, beep.
Okay, I'll wait for you to open.
There you are, and you can move to the left.
Should I stand up?
Yes. How was it?
It was amazing. I am going it for another one. Huh? This is the first one. This is like I had tasted something. Now I need more of it.
So tell me, how did you feel when you were standing on the skid?
So when I was standing up there, when you jump at that particular moment, only for few seconds you feel that those goosebumps in your stomach. But after that, oof, it's too good.
Try
Too
to
good.
describe your sensation in free fall.
It was very nice. I cannot describe it. You should do. That is what I'll say.
Exactly.
I cannot explain how it feels.
And you liked it also under the parachute?
Oh, that was too good. If I will learn this. You see, next time I'm coming, I'm taking the controls from you.
You're a skydiver. Well done.
Thank you
Go
so
beep,
much.
beep.
Go beep, beep.
Beep beep.